In this video, I am going to show you how to make a word and character counter using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I can show you how it works. So this is Becodewala. So you can see here we have written three words. You can see here we have written three words. So here it's showing, you can see here three words, and here it's showing 18 characters. So see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. It's showing two more. Here it's showing 18, but here we have typed 16 character. But why it's showing two more? So because it count the this space. Here we have given the space also, so it's counting the space also. Here our space, so two space I have given, so it's counting two more character. So it's count the your character also and whatever space you have given. So if I give more space, it will see, it will show the 19 character. Then again I have given space to so 20. It will give repeatedly your space, it will count the space as a character. So like that we can make our word and character counter. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. I can show you here in my VS Code. So here is our basic structure of my HTML file, and in that I have taken the title word counter. So we'll come to our CSS file later. First we'll go for our body tag. In this body tag I have taken a heading word and character counter. You can see here on our web page I have taken the heading word and character counter. So after that I have taken a text area tag. In this I have taken a ID text box and columns 30 and rows 10. After this, after we have taken our p tag, in p tag I have taken a span tag. In this span tag I have taken a ID word. In this I have taken 0. So and I have written word, and after that I have taken one more span tag with ID char for character, and I have written 0. So it show initially to 0. I can show you. See, it is showing initially 0 word, 0 character. So here we have written 0 word and 0, here 0 character. So here also it's showing 0 word and 0 character for starting value. So after writing this much of HTML code, we go for our styling. So here we have taken a body tag. In this body tag I have taken padding 0 pixel from top and bottom and 100 pixel from right and left. After that I have taken the h1 tag. Here you can see our h1 tag. So in this I have taken text align center, background color blue and text color white. I can show you, here is the white color text you can see in our web page. And after that I have taken margin 0 pixel and padding 10 pixel from all sides. So After that I have target my text box ID. I can show you here. I have taken a text box ID. In this I have taken width 99% and border color blue and font size 20, 15 pixel. After that I have taken our p tag. Here is our p tag. You can see in this p tag I have taken the text align center, background color blue and font size 20 pixel. After that I have taken font weight bold and color white and padding 10 pixel from all sides and margin 0 pixel. After doing this much of styling, we go for a last code, that is JS code. In this we have taken a script tag. In this script tag I have taken a variable text box, and then we have target our id text box. You can see here we have taken id text box. So then I have taken I event add event listener. So for our text bag, and in this you have taken input. So if we give any input, it will respond to our page. So in this I have taken a function a, and I have taken a variable text this dot value. If we put any text, it will take the value of our text, and then we have taken a character variable, and in this I have taken text dot length, how much the length of the text. So then I have target my char means char tag. So sorry, char id. It is a id, char id. I can show you here is the character id. In that it should change the inner html to char when we enter any character, and after that I've taken the text equal to text dot trim. It will trim our text. So if any extra spaces will be there, it will not count the spaces for the words. It will for character. So here it will count the spaces for the words only. So here I have taken the words variable. In this I have taken text dot split. It will split the text. Here I have given a space between inverted comma. So after that I have taken a clean list. So it will, here I have taken the words with filter. So here our filter tag, and in this I have taken a function elm. So it will, if elm not equal to blank, here if element is not blank, it will return. So here I have taken document dot get element by id word, and in this I have taken dot inner html equal to clean list dot length. So it will count our length of our word. So after doing this we'll get a beautiful word and character counter like this, and we can count our words and character. This is Becodewala. So here it's showing 3 words and 18 character. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.